These are going to be one of the towers, Tower 1 elevators at the Hyatt Regency Convention Center in Orlando. Otis Elevonic 401s, but with a mad BS Moon slap-on mod. I think we're getting this one.
Let's see if that's going up or down. Oh, it's going down. This one's going down. Out this way. These were originally Otis, it looks like.
They are technically still, for the most part, just new buttons.
Oh, okay.
Otis and Krupp, I believe, did this.
Yeah. Acme indicator. Classic leveling.
Up to 27.
So they got a slap one with Mad and an Acme indicator.
Hey, we didn't stop. They used to have the grandma voice.
Did Candy Cart film here or?
I don't know.
Oh no, I think that was another elevator.
And here we are up on 27.
The granny voice, yeah, that was a
Classic leveling.
Oh,
ooh,
beautiful.
Nice.
They're obviously on the original controllers.
Looks like they recently renovated the place
Oh,
really lately. We were going down to see. I'm gonna get a cab view.
Oh, we're coming on. What floor?
To the ground.
Ground lobby.
Lobby.
Thirteenth floor.
On the lobby. Alright.
Have a nice day. That's a
88 phone.
It's an 88 phone.
Watch it classic level. Those other two. It's 27.
Hopefully we get a full ride.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Yeah, they're rockets.
Cool.
Here on 27.
These are rockets. Wow.
Send you down to the lobby floor.
Oh, this looks very similar to the World War.
Look around here. Looks like they renovated the place really recently.
Yeah.
That's just electrical rooms. You got, yeah, that's stairs. Yeah, I'm guessing that is where the service cars are. Yeah, these are, I'm guessing, the service cars. Yeah, and out here you can get a view.
Which one is going to come?
There's Convention Center.
The window looks slightly...
It's kind of cloudy out, so it's probably gonna rain anyway.
Yep. That's lovely Florida weather.
Yep, typical Florida weather. Either it rains like crazy or it's as hot as hell.
Let's see what chime we get. Oh, maybe. Oh, no chime. Look at that.
Yeah, that chime doesn't work. Interlock. Alright. Down to the lobby.
Different paper on the door. And we'll be stopping at 22. Going down?
Yeah. Come on, Jake.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, how are ya?
Good.
Good. Where are you? Are you
Are you guys going to the lobby?
Yeah. Are you hungry? Where?
Having a good time.
No. Are you hungry?
Oh, we're having a pizza at the end of this.
Oh, you are. Oh, okay, great. Okay, Gibson. Okay, so G and I are gonna go register.
You guys going to the lobby?
Okay.
Okay.
We'll get you your badge.
Love you.
Okay, have fun.
Mom, Mom, after we registered, what are we gonna do now?
We're gonna go to somebody to eat and then we're gonna be pool. Unless, do you wanna eat by the pool?
Yeah, I can eat by the pool.
Okay.
So
Well, I should have gotten it my baby, so.
so that means we have to come back up.
16.
Yeah, we will have all the stuff from registration anyway. And I'll need to come back up here anyway.
28.
Say hello.
Hey.
Just say hello.
How are you?
Can you say,
Can I have a selfie?
Yeah, of course.
do you want me to take your picture, Jake? Oh, that's actually good.
We're in the lobby.
Say thank you very much.
Well, great.
And we will get off here.
So, how you going?
See how you go, bro. That was nice. Awesome.
Alrighty. Thank you.